Ayya Salman, assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikum salam.
Akkam jirta?
Fayyaa
Baga nagaan dhufte.
baga nagaa nu eegde.
Baay'ee bareedaadha. Barreeffamaas jiru kana maal jedhame? Kun maal jedha?
Kenya.
Keenya. Maal jechuudha? Keenya.
Kenya. Or
Yaa.
food.
Aya. Ammaan tana kunoome kun maal jedha?
Or lunch.
Dura afaan Oromootiin dubbisee achi booda hiikaa isaa
Or
natti himi.
lakana Kenya.
Sirri. Laaqana keenya. Maal jechuudha?
Or lunch.
Ayya. Kunoo.
Ciree Kenya.
Ciree keenya. Ciree keenya jedha. Sirriidha?
Ciree
Ciree.
Kenya. Or breakfast.
Yep, exactly. Our breakfast. Kunoo.
Or food.
Dura dubbisi.
Nyaata Kenya.
Sirri. Nyaata keenya jedha. Nyaata keenya. Our
Nyaata
food.
Kenya. Biyya Kenya. Or
Biyya
country.
keenya. Sirri.
Or
Our
biyya
country. Ayya.
magaalaa Kenya.
Magaalaa keenya.
Or city.
Exactly. Our city.
Maatii Kenya.
Maatii keenya. Maatii keenya. Don't you know this?
I need help.
Okay.
Wait, what's
Maatii
the
keenya.
first thing?
Maatii means family.
Or family.
Yeah.
Maatii
Maatii keenya. Maatii keenya jechuun our family.
Or family.
Itti fufi kan.
Konkolaataa Kenya. Or car.
Sirri. Aya.
Ollaa Kenya. Isn't this our house?
Not our house.
Our home?
Ollaa keenya. Not our home.
Our neighbor?
Yep. Exactly. Aya. Kana.
Qabeenya Kenya? Qabeenya Kenya?
Qabeenya keenya. Our property.
Our property?
Yeah.
Or our house?
Mana keenya. Our house. Aya.
Kitaaba Kenya. Or our book?
Yep. Kitaaba keenya. Our book.
Midhaan Kenya.
Okay. Midhaan keenya. Midhaan keenya. Our crops. Our crops.
Or crops.
Yeah. Aya.
Plants. Kube Kenya.
Kophee. Kophee keenya. Kophee keenya means kophee.
Our
Our what?
shoes.
Yes. Our shoes.
Amuka Kenya.
Our
I
tree.
need
Our tree.
our tree. So our plant too.
Yeah. Or is maybe our wood.
Okay. Our wood
Okay.
too.
Next one.
Barsisa Kenya. Our teacher.
Yeah, exactly. Barsiisaa keenya jechuun our teacher.
Malaka Kenya.
Maallaqa keenya is what?
Our money.
Yep. Our money. Okay. Kanan beektaa jecha kana dubbisme what does this mean? What does this term indicates? Guddaa what? Guddaa means what?
That means big. Big.
Big, exactly. What about this one?
Lanche
Leenca.
gudda.
Leenca
Leenca
guddaa mis what?
gudde.
Leenca
Gudda.
guddaa.
I don't know what lencha is.
Leenca jechuun lion.
Oh,
Big
lion.
lion. Big lion.
Yeah, big lion.
Okay.
Araba. Is it Araba?
Arba. Arba guddaa.
I don't know.
Big elephant. Big elephant.
Big elephant.
Aye.
Mana gudda.
Mana guddaa.
Big home.
Yep. Big home or big house.
Or you could see a mansion because mansions are big houses.
Exactly, you are right. Next one.
Sarre gudda. Big dog.
Sirriidha. Kaitaan.
Gara gudda. Gara.
Not
Big
gara.
stomach.
Gara guddaa. Not
Oh,
stomach.
gara.
Stomach is you see gara. This is gara.
Gara.
Gara guddaa. Gara guddaa means big mountain.
Big mouth. Wait,
Big
big
mountain.
mountain?
Yep.
Oh,
Kano.
like you mean like big road?
Not road.
Oh, mountain.
Yeah, simply big mountain.
Daga gudda.
Dhagaa guddaa.
Daga gudda.
Dhagaa guddaa jedhame dhagaa guddaa.
Daga gudda.
Yeah, it's you see big stone or big stone. We can say big stone or rock.
Big stone.
Okay. Kaname.
Muka gudda.
What's muka guddaa? Muka guddaa. Muka guddaa. What's muka guddaa?
I need help.
Muka guddaa jechuun big tree.
Hembeeko.
Big tree.
Big train.
Yep. Okay. Next one. Riqicha guddaa. Riqicha guddaa. I think you do not know this word. Riqicha guddaa. Riqicha guddaa ku jennu
Yeah, hembeeko.
big bridge. Big bridge.
Bridge. Galana gudda.
Yeah, galana guddaa.
I feel
Galana
like
guddaa.
it says good a big morning, but it's
Akkasii
not.
miti. Yeah, wanni tokko. Galana guddaa means it's big flood.
I have a big food.
Arkatee?
Food?
Flood.
Oh, flood.
Kanafiti. I think you know the rest
A big
of the
flood.
words.
Sarre? No, sire.
Siree guddaa.
Cat? No.
Siree guddaa jechuun try to remember.
Hembeeko.
Bed. Big
Oh,
bed. Bed. Kuno.
Kara gudda. A big road or big
Sorry.
street.
You are right.
Bishan gudda. Big water.
Aye.
Kitaba gudda. A big book. Konkolata gudda. A big car.
Okay. Kanafiti tokko.
Tike.
Xiqqaa. What's xiqqaa?
Tika. Tikishu. Big small.
Xiqqisho means what? Small, yeah. Xiqqaa jechuun smallidha.
Yeah. Konkolata tika. Small
Konkolaataa
car.
xiqqaa. Okay. Small car.
Mucha tika. A tiny kid. Or tiny
Yeah.
baby.
Right.
Muka tika.
Muka xiqqaa. You have to remember this
You
word.
just
Okay?
told me, isn't it bed? No, 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 no.
Yeah, no, it's not a bed. Try to remember this word. We already mentioned this word 2 times.
Mukatika.
Big tree, a small tree.
Big train. Get a small train.
Yeah,
Mean tree or train?
tree here. Small tree.
Oh, a
I
small
can see.
tree.
Yeah. Okay.
Arba
This
tika. So
Arba
arba is train. Small train?
is what?
Small train?
No, no, no. Arba is elephant.
Elephant, elephant. Karatika, small road or small street. Manatika, small house or small apartment.
Okay.
Daga, dagatika.
Nagatika jechuun is simply
Small
small stone